boys and girls. Today I'm going to keep the math video short. I have several children who still haven't got on to happy numbers yet this week, and they need to complete that test by Friday. But I have kind of a fun activity that I'd like you to do if you have time. Happy numbers first today, all right? If parents, they don't get to their activity, that's okay. If they've already done happy numbers and they've done the test, maybe even for the second time, that they can do this, that's fine. They don't have to continue in happy numbers right now. I just want to make sure that I have a score for everyone. All right? So, we're going to be working on page 59 in our module 3. It's the old one still. Don't take out the new one yet. Math workbook. And you're going to be doing 2 pages today. And you will probably need an adult with you to help you with the directions. I'm going to say some now, but I think you're going to need a reader nearby. But they won't have to help you with the answers. You can do this yourself. All right. Well, as you see on here, it's a picture of a robot. Are you noticing the shapes? Let's see if you can name them when I point to them. It's a rectangle. A square, remember, would have all 4 sides the same size. I'm looking. I don't know if I see any squares on this one. There aren't any. Even his neck is a rectangle. His body is a rectangle. Oh my. Arms, legs. What other shape do you see? If it has 3 sides and 3 vertices, 3 points, it's called a triangle. Yes, do you see one? His nose is a triangle. Oh, his shoulders are triangles. His feet are triangles. What is the shape called that has no vertices? Just one curved line that never ends. It's a circle, that's right. So there are some circles. His eyes are circles. Are these circles? Oh no, they have flat sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, 6 vertices. That is a hexagon. That's a hexagon. Okay, so the first thing you have to do when you're doing this is we have to read the words. And here it says red. Red. So I'm going to get out my red crayon. You can do this too because it will help you to set it up. Red. And I'm going to carefully color what shape? The circle red. Maybe a little darker. I'm going to try to keep it neat. Now down here, that's a what? Triangle. Look at the color word. If you don't know it, start saying the sounds. Y, L. Yellow. That's right. I hope you didn't ask anybody. I hope you tried it with your mouth, like try and lion says try. Well, remember our friend Eagle Eye, Lips the fish. He wants us to say it, and that's how we're going to learn to read better. This with the 6 sides, that's one that's hard to remember, isn't it? That's a hexagon. But look at the color word. Do the sounds. Green. Green. You get it? Green. Good job. Sometimes you have to keep saying it. So I'm going to color the hexagon green. Now, parents, while you're helping them with this, make sure they say the names of the pictures often, okay? Because most children have not learned the name hexagon, so we got to work on that. And what's this shape right here called? That's a rectangle. It starts with, the color word starts with O. See, if you start it, you can figure it out. Orange. So I'm going to color that orange. Now I have I'm going to call it the key because it's kind of the plan. And if you have this all mapped out like this, the rest will be easy. The directions say to color the shapes. But you have to color the shapes on the on the robot the same color they are here. So if all the circles are red, get out your red crayon. Where do you see red circles? Yes, I see his eyes. and I'm going to color them red. Now look really carefully. Are there any other circles? No. So the next thing you have to do is count how many there are and write it next to this shape. So how many circles are on the robot? That's when I get my pencil. We don't write our numbers with a crayon. And in that box, nice and neat, I'm going to write the number 2. Okay? So now you're going to color all of the triangles yellow. Hold on. All of the triangles yellow, all of the hexagons green, and all of the rectangles orange, and count them. The next page is going to have some sentences that someone at home can read to you. You're going to look at the robot, and then you're going to color the shape that has more. So it says, are there more rectangles or circles? Well, let's look. There's only 2 circles. Look at all the rectangles. We haven't counted them yet, but what do you think? I think so too. I think there are more rectangles. So, it said to color the rectangle. It's going to be orange. Are there more rectangles or circles? And you will color the shape that has more. Then they'll help you. Are there more hexagons or triangles? Are there more rectangles or hexagons? Then they're going to ask for which has fewer. I hope you have fun doing this, boys and girls. It's kind of like a scientist. You're collecting information and you're recording your results. Math and science go very closely together. So, if you haven't done happy numbers this week, do that first. This is second, if you have time. Okay? Have a great day, boys and girls.